Hello, how are you doing? My name is Wilson and today I want to give 5 lessons I learned from the university. I started at Pwani University from 2019 and I graduated in 2023 with bachelor degree in education. And throughout this process, there's a lot of things that I had expected before I joined, and I got a lot of disappointments, and through it I learned a lot of lessons. I know there's some people who are going to join the university this year, and there's some people who are also in the process, but I know you're going to get this video useful. So if this video becomes useful to you or you find it interesting, make sure you like it and you subscribe to this channel. Also comment something on the comment below. Say something that you see people should learn or you learn from the university, because people have different experiences. And without wasting any time, I want us to dive into the video. So topic on my list is enjoy the process. Now, a lot of people usually worry too much about what they're going to get at the end. So throughout the process, they're not enjoying it. So they spend all of this period worrying too much about what they are going to get at the end. And if they get disappointed, now they'll paint all this thing or all this process as scam. Now, you will hear a lot of people saying that university degree is a scam, simply because they never enjoyed the moment. They never learned anything at the university apart from getting that degree. So they get the degree and maybe they don't get a job. So they end up terming the degree as scam. You see, university life is not easy, and there's a lot of challenges you're going to face. But if you take it positively and you enjoy the process, definitely it's going to be something good for you, something you learned, something you got from the university. You got friends, you got new skills, you got to explore a lot of things that you never knew before. You got to learn new cultures. Second on my list is always learn a skill. Throughout the time when I was at the university, nilipatana na jamaa mmoja anaitwa Bezi. This guy taught me a lot about content creation. So alinifunza how to use YouTube, akanifunza about YouTube creators app, akanifunza how to make videos, how to edit them, and how people can earn through YouTube. And I've always used that skill. And that's the reason why I'm here talking to you on this video, because I learned something at the university. So it is through that university that I learned a lot of these things. Now, a lot of people usually finish the university and then they only have a degree, and then that course that they learn is flooded, so they end up not getting a job and they end up terming the university degree as a scam, because apart from the degree there's nothing else they learned. So there's no skill they learned from the university. And that's why most people end up regretting going to the university, because they never learned any skill apart from getting that degree. So at least create other value out of the university apart from only getting that degree. I hope that makes sense. Third on my list is go out and make friends. Don't just have yourself sitting at home calling yourself introverts, because there's a lot of things that you're going to miss out. You are going to miss out a lot of exposure. And you know, the reason why you went to the university is actually the exposure. However, always learn when to say no, because there's a lot of things that you're going to be exposed to that are not going to be helpful to you, or they're going to be harmful. So always learn to say no, but go out and make friends. Learn their culture, learn what they believe in, learn from their mistakes and don't make those mistakes. Learn their skills, and of course learn something through them. Create connections, because these people are going to help you in future. You will be looking for jobs. Maybe these people know where there is a vacancy, so they might send you a link. So these friends are going to be very useful to you. As I stated earlier, I learned content creation through someone. And this someone, I met him through going out and meeting people. So I met this guy, and this person became my friend, and we started doing something with him. So we created something, and it's through going out that I'm here talking to you on this video, because I learned something from him. So going out, learning cultures, learning skill, creating connection with people, that's all about university. So this is something that's going to help you so much. Now, that was my experience. I don't know what was your experience. I know a lot of people have their different experiences. Share it on comment section, because it might help someone. I don't have much to say but to wish you a good time. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel. See you next time.